Today's session will focus on development of new organisms. Courtship behaviors in animals. Courtship is a reproductive communication between males and females, leading to mating. Common behaviors include pairing, formation of a mating pair, seen in species like humans, toads, and fish. Display, movements or exhibitions that attract mates, for example, croaking in toads, dancing, and singing in humans. Territoriality, males mark and defend an area before mating, common in vertebrates. Seasonal migration, movement for breeding or escaping unfavorable conditions, seen in birds, fish, and termites. Stages in toad development. Toads undergo several stages from fertilization to adulthood. Egg stage, eggs are laid in jelly that protects and supplies oxygen. Zygote stage, the fertilized egg, zygote, undergoes division, forming an embryo. Young tadpole stage, emerges and attaches to water plants, feeding on yolk. External gill stage, tadpole develops gills and feeds on water plants. Internal gill stage, gills are covered by operculum, and muscles develop. Limb stage, limbs grow, lungs develop, and the tadpole starts eating small animals. Young toad stage, tadpole reabsorbs its tail and becomes a young toad, moving to land. Metamorphosis in insects. Complete metamorphosis, insects develop from egg to larva, then pupa, and finally into adults. Examples include houseflies, mosquitoes, and butterflies. Incomplete metamorphosis, the egg hatches into a nymph, which resembles the adult but is smaller and wingless. Examples include cockroaches. Life history of housefly. Houseflies undergo complete metamorphosis. Egg stage, laid in moist environments, hatching into larvae, maggots. Larva stage, maggots feed, grow, and eventually pupate. Pupal stage, maggots form a pupal case where transformation occurs. Adult stage, the adult emerges from the pupal case and begins life as a housefly. Life history of cockroach. Cockroaches undergo incomplete metamorphosis. Egg stage, eggs are laid in a case, ootheca, hatching into nymphs. Nymph stage, nymphs grow, molt multiple times, and develop wings. Adult stage, the nymphs mature into adult cockroaches over several months. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.